In academia, the mission statement acts as a written declaration of the description, rationale, objectives, and values of a department, program, or the institution itself. Like the resume cover letter or resume that describes a person's qualifications for a position, the mission statement offers a linguistic representation of an educational endeavor that a document articulates in words. It is just language. Just words. However, whoever produces this statement has the responsibility to express this self-delineated institutional, departmental, or programmatic profile judiciously in a justifiable form. The writers must use just, that's with a capital J, language that portrays the educational objectives accurately yet concisely so that potential participants comprehend the values and objectives of a program in which they intend to invest. As a means to compose a mission statement for your writing program, we will consider the following circumstances to write a successful one. 1. The definition of the mission statement. 2. The extenuating factors that should influence the mission statement. 3. The confluence of stakeholders that will shape the mission statement. 4. The audiences for your mission statement. 5. The chosen tone of a mission statement for that perceived audience. And 6. The implications and ideologies that underlie the mission statement. This analytical investigation of the mission statement will provide some general information about the genre, examine and analyze some mission statement examples, and provide some references and resources for preparing a mission statement. It will also request that you pause at certain junctures of the video to note considerations that you must make about campus stakeholders and forces that you must take into account at your institution. These notes will help you prepare your programmatic mission statement and help us to discuss the complexities and challenges of composing a mission statement. In this exploration, we will also consider how a WPA can circulate the mission statement for the purposes of the program's justification, promotion, grant funding, accreditation assessment, and other usages that benefit a writing program. Mission statement definition. A mission statement offers a relatively short, clear statement that identifies core values and articulates the purpose and rationales of a program. A program should articulate a mission statement and circulate it because it can guide the principles of the program and keep everyone on the same proverbial page. It can declare a shared set of values that help everyone not only work together, but perhaps with a sense of collective aims. It can help frame decision-making around program priorities, resource allocation, and future initiatives. It can be referenced in various campus forums, such as programmatic promotional literature, assessment reports, curriculum proposals, annual reports, and/or promotion tenure documents. As a means to prepare a mission statement, a WPA and other program stakeholders need to consider some of the following institutional context. The institution's values and mission, the discipline's values and objectives, the program's values and course allotments, the institutional forces that influence your writing program, the nuanced composing needs of your student body, and the strengths and challenges of your writing program faculty. These considerations should inform your mission statement because all writing programs reside within a larger college or university system, sometimes within a larger department or division, such as English, Communications, or Humanities, and frequently interacts with many campus stakeholders, such as students, faculty, other departments, and upper administration. How can or should your mission statement address the confluences of all of these institutional stakeholders? Take a moment to pause this video and list major stakeholders on your campus. Divide the list into two sections. 1, the people who have direct contact with the workings of the writing program, and 2, other campus figures or forces who may influence the workings of the writing program. Jot down some notes about how these various stakeholders could affect the mission of the writing program. Once you have completed this list, restart the video. Now make a visualization, a sketch of the locations on campus where the writing program has partners in the sponsoring of advanced literacy, reading, writing, research, critical thinking for your student body. Pause the video until you have drawn that campus literacy map. While every college or university has a unique mission, their mission statements all have some common language and underlying structures that mark them as the genre of the mission statement. In this next section, we will look at a variety of mission statements to compare and contrast their claims, organization, research underpinnings, language registers, and means of delivery. While I will offer some brief explanations and explications of these sample mission statements, workshop leaders will further elaborate on their mission program's mission statements. For now, please look through the following mission statement examples, pausing to take notes on what you observe and what you might want to emulate from these mission statements. Also, see if you can identify the genre characteristics of mission statements by comparing and contrasting these samples. For each of these institutions, pause and peruse their mission statement materials to answer the following questions. Please take some notes about your observations and analysis. What content does each mission statement contain? What crucial pieces of information do they offer their audiences? Can you identify the audiences that this mission statement wants to address? What organizational strategies do they use to convey their mission statement message? What tone or register have they chosen for this mission statement? How does that tone register affect you as a reader of this document? Can you tell what pedagogical or linguistic theories or influences frame the ideas of this mission statement? What visualizations or visual aids accompany this mission statement? How do they supplement the mission statement text? What other things do you notice about these mission statements, either as individual text or as a collective? Now that we have viewed these examples, we need to consider other disciplinary influences which also affect how you will conceive your mission statement. The field of writing studies offers some professional organizational resolutions that you may want to consider as you compose your statement. Please pause and navigate to the following sites where you will find resolutions by the NCTE, 4Cs, and CWPA professional organizations. In our live workshop session, we will use our time to draft writing program mission statements. While you will compose the first draft on your own, you should also consider the other interested parties on your campus who should have a voice in this guiding document. What people on your campus should you involve to read and revise it? Who might be interested in being involved? What type of timeline might you follow? How will your mission statement articulate the identity of your program? How can it help your writing program staff to feel valued and invested? How can it induce a sense of trust and confidence among students or their parents in the writing program courses? How can the collaborative composing of a mission statement invoke the conversations that you want to have on your campus about writing and advanced college-level literacy acquisition? How might it foster a sense of community and collective purpose about your writing program? What long-term and short-term goals does this mission statement suggest? Please pause the video now and do some reflective brainstorming about these questions. After you've written the mission statement, you must also consider where you might want to circulate it or when it might come in handy. Departmental website, display poster in your program office, brochures for open houses, admissions office or other promotional events, major or minor manuals, assessment reports, annual evaluations, budget proposals, grant proposal, and social media accounts. After viewing this online presentation and collecting your thoughts on paper, take 15 to 20 minutes to quickly write a first sketchy draft of your mission statement. Consider the confluences of campus, disciplinary, and pedagogical stakeholders that will make your mission statement speak explicitly to the needs of your program, your faculty, and your students. In session, we will workshop these mission statement drafts and consider how to incorporate the aspects of mission statement writing to your institution's rhetorical situation. Thank you.